Hello everyone, I'm Elton, and in this video I'll be showing you 3 strategies to earn $200 per day just by using Google Maps. And these 3 strategies that I'm going to show you are being used by most of the entrepreneurs out there. They make a living with these methods. Let me just give you an overview what I'm going to go through in this video. So the first thing that I'm going to go through is how to use Google Maps to find new opportunities. The next thing I'm going to show you is how you can convert these opportunities into multiple income streams. And in the third part, I'm going to show you how you can literally automate these things so that you don't need to put 100% of your effort. Next thing, I'll be showing some income proof of how other companies are earning through these methods. And the last but not least, I'm going to give you some resources. I'm going to give you a value pack resource which will help you to learn more about these strategies. So the next 10 to 15 minutes of this video is going to be full value based content, so make sure you don't miss any part of this video, don't skip any part of this video. So with further ado, let's get into the strategies. Now the first step you want to do is you want to do some preparations. You want to prepare a few things before we go into the Google map. Now the first thing you want to do is you want to select a local area. A local area could be anything. It could be the area that you stay, or it could be any city or a state. Now for this video I'll be taking Atlanta as my local area. Okay, Atlanta in United States. Now the next thing for the preparations, you want to select a niche in a service business. Now, let me give you some example. It could be car dealers, chiropractors, dentists, lawyers, gyms, restaurants, etc. etc. But for this video I'll be taking dentist as an example. Okay, now you want to combine these two preparations that you had just done and you want to form a keyword. After you form a keyword, you want to search it on Google just like this over here. Now here you can see I have searched Atlanta dentist. Okay, I know this is grammatically wrong, but don't worry, Google understands everything. Okay, now once you search this, you want to go down and you want to scroll down and you will see the Google My Business listing over here. And as you can see, Google has listed top 3 businesses on top, and if you click on more places, you will find more businesses in Atlanta city about dentist over here. That means these 3 businesses get the most of the traffic out of any other dentist in Atlanta city. But what we need to do is we want to click on this more places over here, and once you click on this more places, you will see a bunch of listings on your left hand side, and on the right hand side you will see the Google Maps, because Google Maps plays an important role in these 3 strategies that I'm going to show you, because you can find tons of opportunities to earn money from this Google Maps that you are seeing in front of you. Now as you can see on the left hand side, there are tons of businesses listed over here. But what you can do with these businesses, let me tell you, you want to search for businesses that have less reviews or less ratings. So let me just show you where you can get these. I'll just go to the next 2 or 3 pages and you will find these businesses right away. Okay, if I just scroll down over here you can see there are 2 businesses popped out in front of me that have literally no reviews. And when these businesses have no review, that means these businesses have very less chance to come to the first page of the Google My Business listings. So what is the idea over here in searching these businesses? Just let me tell you. Okay, we need to help these businesses to come to the first page of Google so that they can get more leads, and once they get more leads, these leads will be converted into customers, and as they get converted into customers, these businesses will earn from there. So what you need to do, you want to help them, and once you start helping them, they will pay you right away. And let me just show you how you can do that. You can see over here this business has got over 300 reviews, 4.9 ratings, and you can see they have put all the information that is required to understand what this business is about and where this business is and how to contact this business. You can see they have put the timings of when they open or when they close. You can see there are tons of images, videos, etc. etc. so that other customers understand what this business is about, and a lot more. But when you scroll down and you click on this business over here you can see they don't have any information over here. Okay, they don't have how many hours they are open or closed. They don't have any proper information about their business so that other people can understand about it. They don't have enough images that can describe their business, and obviously they don't have any ratings or reviews over here, and which makes this business low ranking in front of Google. What you can do is you can help this business. Okay, now how you can help this business? So what you can do is you can go over here and you can call this business up and tell them that I will give you a free service in adding these information so that you can rank better on Google My Business listings. Okay, you can help them by just adding some relevant information that will literally help them to rank higher. And if you're uncomfortable in calling this business and to talk with them, all you can do is you can go to their website and find some relevant contact info. For example, an email address so that you can mail them, or you can find any social media handle where you can ping them a message about what they are missing on their listing and how you can improve those things for free. And one of the great ways to improve their rankings on the Google My Business listing is by doing citations. Okay, for most of you don't know what is citation. Citation is nothing but listing this business in multiple more listing sites like Yelp, Facebook, Craigslist, etc. etc. Okay, you can list this site on multiple websites so that it helps Google to understand this business and it helps it to rank higher up in this listing. So let me just show you how you can do these citations for them. You can go to Fiverr.com. Okay, once you go to Fiverr.com, you want to search for Google Maps citation. Once you search that, if you go down here, you can see that there are tons of people that give this service for as low as $5 or $10 to max. Okay, here you can see I will do 2000 Google Map citation for local SEO, and 2000 Google Map citation means they will list business on 2000 other listing sites so that it helps the business to get higher up in the rank of Google My Business. And why you want to give this service for free to the business is because I'm going to show you the 3 strategies that will help you earn more money from the same business, because once you give something for free, they will trust you, and now you can sell them other services that will pay you $1,000 to $2,000 per month just from one business. So stick with me and I'm going to tell you how you can do this. Now let's get into the 3 main strategies. The first strategy is you want to find a business over here that has no website. Okay, now as you can see over here, this business has no website, and rest all the businesses around Atlanta city have a website. So what you want to do is you want to contact this business via phone call over here, because they have not provided any email address because they don't have any website to provide it. So you want to call them over here and you want to pitch them that you will be creating a website for them so that they can be listed on Google pages just like these other businesses over here. Okay, here you can see there are multiple websites of other dentists in the same Atlanta city, and why they want to have a website is because again it will help them to get more leads, and once they get more leads, they will get more customers. And let me just tell you, you can charge easily $500 to $1,000 just for one website, because this website is going to get them more business, and these clients will easily pay you $500 to $1,000 for building a decent WordPress website or any Wix website as you wish. Now this was for the first strategy. The second strategy is going to be SEO, that is search engine optimization. Now if you go down on the Google page where you had searched for Atlanta dentist, if you go to the third page over here, you will see there are still multiple websites that are not ranked on the first page. That means these websites are missing hundreds, thousands of leads every month. Okay, these websites are missing hundreds, thousands of leads every month. So how you can help these websites to rank higher on Google? What you want to do, you want to just click on this website and you want to see that what they are missing over here. Okay, here you can see they are missing blogs, they are missing keywords, they are missing a lot of things that help them to rank higher up on Google. So again, all you want to do is you want to contact this website and tell them that you will be helping them in ranking their website higher up on Google so that they can get tons of leads every month. And remember that these dentists have clients that pay them over thousands of dollars every year just to get their services done. The last strategy to earn from providing services to these businesses is SMM, that is social media marketing. Okay, now as you can see, this website that I had opened before doesn't have any social media handle on their website. That means this dentist is not on any social media platform, for example like Facebook, Twitter or Instagram, and they are missing tons of leads from these social media websites, because we live in this era where customers go to social media platforms first before taking any service from any business. And that is why it is mandatory or compulsory for every business to have a social media handle, plus they should be uploading daily social media posts so that they can get in front of their customers again and again, and they can get more leads. And you can easily charge for social media marketing. For example, you can run ads and you can easily charge $1,000 to $2,000 per month for social media marketing. For example, you can run Facebook ads in it, you can run Instagram ads, you can run Google ads to get them more leads every month. And the more customers you bring for this business, the more they will keep paying you, because they won't hesitate to pay you, because as long as you are giving them customers, they are happy and they are satisfied with your service. Now let me just show you quickly how you can automate these 3 strategies that I just told you. Okay, now as I showed you before, you want to go to Fiverr again and you want to search for SEO service, and once you search that, here you can see these people charge around 30 to 40 bucks for SEO service, a decent SEO service. That means you can easily charge your clients around $500 to $700, and you can come over to Fiverr and get these people do the work for you, right? Isn't that great? That means you don't need to do the 100% of the work. So all you need to do is only convince the client to get the service from you, and then you charge them $500 or far more than $500 for the SEO service, and then you pay these people on Fiverr over here to complete your task, and the profits that you make above it is in your account. So likewise, you want to go to Fiverr and again search for social media marketing. Okay, if you search for social media marketing, again you will see there are a bunch of people that charge under $200 for these type of services, and they have got over 5 reviews and they have got a lot of customers over here. That means these people are reliable. And again, the same way goes for a WordPress website. If you want to create a website for a business that doesn't have a website, again you can search for a WordPress website on Fiverr, and you will find tons of gigs on Fiverr that will make them for cheap. You all may be having a doubt that really can I charge so much money to a business like $1,000 or $2,000 per month? Just let me show you some proof that similar type agency how much they charge. Here you can see for social media marketing, here they charge around $1,800 per month. And what they do in this, all they do is just do 30 social media posts per month, and they run some basic ads of $200 to $400 budget. That's it, and they charge $1,800. And if you search on Google for social media charges, there you will find that easily you can charge above $500 or above $1,000, and these businesses are literally ready to pay. Now finally, let me give you some resources where you can learn in depth about these strategies that I showed you. That is social media marketing, SEO, and a lot of stuff. So what you need to do is you want to go to Google and you want to search for Jordan Platten. Okay, this guy is one of the legend guys from where I have learned, and I have a great experience with this guy because this person has helped thousands of people online to learn about social media marketing and how they can help other businesses to earn from social media marketing. The next channel that you want to go to is called Iman Gadzi. This person, Iman Gadzi, is again a legend person who teaches about social media marketing, how to open your own social media marketing agency. Okay, even if you don't have any employees, even if you have not incorporated your company, this person gives you a full guide on how to do it. And the last but not least, you want to go to this channel over here, Ethan Ashley. This person shows live cold calling. That means he shows how you can call these businesses and how you can convince them over a phone call. Okay, it will help you to boost your confidence. It will help you to get motivated in calling these businesses, and literally within few days you will be able to call these businesses and get them as your clients. So make sure you go through all these 3 channels that I just showed you, and if you feel confused about any part of this video, then again go back and rewatch this video. And if you still have any doubts, please leave a comment below. I'll make sure to answer them quickly as possible. So that's it for this video, and if you've loved the video, please subscribe the channel below and hit the bell icon, because as I told you, I upload daily make money online videos on this channel and I want you to be notified first. And also I hope you like this video, so please click the like button below. It shows me how much you love my content. So thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you in the next one.